Okay, so from here to pistols, you want to say, take your right and push it further to the left. Whoop. Yeah, so I went from here. Imagine that this is a hinge. Yeah, this works as a hinge. And you want to push your right to your left. And at the same time, your left hand is saying rotate around like that. Yeah, so I'm pushing this thumb here. Whoop. From here to here. Just gonna show you to the front again. From here, I want to say push to the left. Whoop. From here to the left. So push it here. Now you want to say flip it around or rotate it like that. So I went from here to right. Now from here I want to say pistol. Yeah. So my right pistol is resting on my left hand here. So I went from here to here. From here to here. And you also want to turn your body here and then say point, 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 point to the left. So let's just practice the new part from 2 pistols. We're going 7/8. We're going push, click, switch, click, and pistol, turn. Again, from 2 pistols. 7/8. Push, around, switch to the other side, and shoot. Bang, 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 bang. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push and switch and pistol. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, so from pistol shoot, from here you want to say 2 fists with the thumb out. Yeah, and you want to go from here to here. Yeah, so my right is resting here on my left. Yeah. Now, from here, you want to swing your left out like that. From here, go swing it out. The right one goes up. So again, from here to up. From here to up. Now, at the same time, I want to go whoop. From here to here. Yeah. So let's take it from here. We're saying shoot, 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 shoot. Now we want to say fist and then throw it out. Fist, throw it out. From here, I want to take my right elbow up like that. Yeah, so I'm saying thumbs up. And at the same time, I'm also saying thumbs up on with my left here. Yeah, so I went from here to 2 thumbs up. From here, 2 thumbs up. So let's take it back from shoot, 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 shoot. Fist, swing it out, thumbs up. Let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoot, 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 shoot. Fist, throw it out, thumbs up. One last time. Shoot, 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 shoot. Fist, throw it out, thumbs up. After thumbs up, you just want to throw them down, getting ready to run. Yeah, so it's shoot, 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 shoot. Fist, throw them out, thumbs up, and then down. Okay, so let's go a bit back and take the new part from 2 fingers. We're saying push, click, switch, click, pistol, click, bang, 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 bang. Now we're saying fist, throw them out, thumbs up, and down. One last time. So from here, 7, 8, we go push, click, switch, click, pistol, click, shoot, 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 shoot. Now fist, throw it out, thumbs up, and down. Alright, now let's try to take it from the tip top. So quick recap, we're going look and knuckles and chest, switch to pistols, wrist, roll up, rest, grab, pull, turn around, meet, 2 fingers, rotate, square, meet, release, 2 pistols, push, click, and pistol, bang, 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 bang. Now fist, throw it out, thumbs up and down. So let's try again. We go look and knuckles, chest, switch, pistols, wrist, roll up, rest, grab, hold, turn around, meet, 2 fingers, rotate, square, meet, release, and 2 pistols. Now push and switch and get ready for pistol. Bang, 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 bang. Now fist, throw it out, thumbs up and down. Ha! One last time. So we go 7, 8. Look, knuckles, chest, switch, pistols, wrist, roll up, rest, grab, pull, meet, 2 fingers, rotate, square, meet, release, 2 pistols, push and switch and get ready. Bang, 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 bang. Fist, throw them out, thumbs up and down. Alright, now to the easiest part. So we've done thumbs up, down. Now we're gonna say run. Yes, I'm leading a bit forward. I'm saying left up, right up, and then we're gonna do 4 fast ones, quick ones. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's just try that. So we just did throw them down. We're gonna say left, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you wanna take your left up again. Now I'm leaning back, whoop, here, pistol, and then I'm taking my right, saying second pistol. From here, I want to roll them around, so I'm going flat hand, up, and click. So I'm just going to show you again. From here, I'm pushing them down, and at the same time, I'm doing flat hand. Then I'm saying push it up, back, down. Yeah? One last time. From here, 7, 8, I go push, out, up, and down. Okay, now let's practice with the running. So we go left to start with, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, right, left, right. Now pistol, pistol, throw them down and up and down. Once again, so from the running part, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, right, left, right, pistol, pistol, throw them down, up and down. I'm actually exaggerating when I'm doing this part. Actually, they do it just like that. Yeah, so a small one. Boom, here, and not all the way down, all the way up here. Just keep it small. Whoop, yeah. Alright, so you did here. Now it's important that you have your thumbs in, because the next move is pushing them out and at the same time taking your thumbs out to the sides. Yeah, so I went from here to here, from here to here. Now from here, I just want to close. Yeah, so I'm grabbing it like that. Just gonna show you again from here. Grab. Now I want to turn to my left, saying pistol. Yeah, so the right is on top of my left. And then I want to turn to the other side, saying pistol hold. Yeah, so the pistol is still my left, my right is saying hold. So let's just do that again. We went from run, 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 run. Tick, here, push it down, push it out, grab. Now pistol to the left side and pistol to the right side. Let's do it again from the running part. So we're going left to start with, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, right, left, right. Now pistol, second pistol, throw them around, tick, push them out, grab it. Now pistol, left side, pistol, right side. Okay, so one last time. Running part, 7, 8, we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now pistol, second pistol, roll around, tap, out, grab, left side, right side. Alright, now let's do the whole thing from the tip to the top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap. Starting here, saying look, knuckles, chest, switch, pistols, wrist, roll up, rest, grab, pull, meet, 2 fingers, rotate, square, meet, release, 2 pistols, push, switch, pistol, bang, 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 fist, throw it out, thumbs up, down, new part, run, 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 pistol, second pistol, around, stop, out, grab, left side, right side. Alright, one last time. So 7, 8, we go lip, knuckles, chest, switch, 2 pistols, wrist, roll up, rest, grab, pull around, meet, 2 fingers, rotate, square, meet, release, 2 pistols, push, and click, and pistol, bang, 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 fist, throw them out, thumbs up, down, now run, 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 pistol, and round, stop, throw them out, grab, left side, right side. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the PUBG Finger Dance 2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.